Today we're going to draw Elsa and Ariel, okay? On the Little Mermaid. Okay, so we're going to start with Elsa first. Okay, we're going to start with her eyes, okay? So here in the middle of the page, draw 2 lines. We're going to draw her eyes like this, half circles. Okay, they're round, okay? That's just a straight line. Her nose is right here. Her mouth is here. And we're gonna do her eyes. We're gonna draw another circle inside. Circle inside. Okay, now we're gonna draw her face. An oval. Very close to her mouth. Okay, now we're gonna draw her ear, which is right here. Next to her eyes. And we're gonna draw her hair. Let's just finish her top of her head. So we're gonna do this. And then we're gonna connect it here. Then we're gonna draw the side of her hair. It goes on the side and goes all the way up. Like this, we're gonna do 3 waves. And this one is gonna go toward the middle. And then there's one in the middle here. Next hair is gonna go this way, up. One more. From this point up. We're gonna go from here up. Curve down. So we're gonna finish this off here, like this. Okay, and then her braid goes all the way down. So we're gonna draw this here. Straight line here in the middle. Okay, and we're gonna draw her braid. You're gonna follow that line. Okay, I'm gonna trace mine. Okay, shoulder. Okay, this is her dress. Okay, her dress comes down. And her dress comes out. Okay, we're gonna connect it here. There's an opening in the middle. And then we're gonna draw her arm. Yep. We're gonna draw her arm. Her hand is connected. And her other arm is over here. And her cape comes out, back, and goes to the ground. Curves in. Goes around. Okay. So that's Elsa. And we'll color her later and look more like Elsa, okay? Now we're gonna draw Ariel. I'm gonna start with her eyes. I'm gonna do 2 lines here. This is the bottom of her eye, okay? So this is the bottom of her eye. I'm gonna do half a circle. Half a circle. I'm gonna draw her eye on the inside. Okay, and then her nose. Small nose. And her mouth. Okay, eyebrows. And then we're gonna draw her face from left to right here. So left side of her face. Go here. Come back. Come here. Curve up. Okay, now we're gonna draw her hair, okay? Her hair is gonna go from right to left. Okay? And it curves around here. And she's got big hair. Really big hair, so it kind of goes out of space here. Okay. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna add a flower here. Okay, very good. I'm gonna draw her body now, okay?
Tiny fish tail.
Yes. And then her shoulder goes like this. This is the left shoulder. This is the right shoulder. She has her hair over here, so we're gonna draw more hair here. She wears a seashell, so we're gonna draw a seashell here. Seashell. And then her arm here comes out here. And go back to her body here. Then we're gonna draw her waist. Okay, and then another line here. With a little notch in the middle. And then we're gonna draw her legs, her mermaid tail. Then this is gonna go to the right. Then we're gonna draw her tail. Into her hair here. Connect her legs, so her legs are here, and then we're gonna connect here. Now we're gonna finish off her hair here. Just do a little curl up. So that's Ariel and Elsa. Let's color them.